upside down.
Okay.
No, not there. There you go.
Okay, get your stick lit.
That one's called Battle Fury.
Battle Fury? These sound like good games.
Blue Fury, actually.
Blue Fury, okay. Maybe we'll have a blue fireworks.
Alright, I opened mine.
Okay, you're next. There we go. No, it was cute, but it was short. Come on, Gabe. Get it up there.
This one is called Rose Blossom.
Rose Blossom? Okay, maybe it'll be red.
Rose Blossom.
Get your stick, babe. Get a big stick.
Rose Blossom.
Light it up.
It's too windy right now.
For what?
Until the wind goes down a bit.
For what? Hold it down and cup your hand around it, but not close to it, Gaby.
It's not lighting.
That's it. Real slow, so it doesn't blow out. This looks like a good one,
But
Gabe.
wait, are we going to?
Okay, let's see what's it called? Rose?
Rose Blossom.
Rose Blossom.
Are we going to do this one? This one too?
That's Gaby's. You have the other. You picked the other hand. Remember what happened to this one? Is this not? Oh, here we go. Here we go. No, you okay. You can choose. Whoa.
I'm going to choose this.
Awesome.
Let me check both.
We'll be back.